We're here for the second year in Property Investor Show. It's a great opportunity to meet people, to greet customers, and to show who we are, what kind of solutions that we have, furniture solutions for them. IKEA Greenwich is it's a new store that was just been opened 2 months ago. It's one of the most sustainable stores in the country. It actually runs on 75% energy of the sun, the light. And the store is very sustainable. It uses the rainwater. We have great plants that we promote over there as well. So we came out today, the first time for IKEA Greenwich, is just to show ourselves and to tell our community and the people that what kind of store we are. It's very valuable. Face-to-face meeting is very important. And in any business, in any retail, you always have to have that personal touch. And it's the way that to present yourself to your customers, in-store, outside store. I would just want to say a huge thanks for the guys who organized the event. It's been very successful so far, and it was very smooth, the planning of it from the beginning to the end, and we got a lot of help and support from them. So yeah, hope to see more of us or more in the future.